Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a ghost dog. So a puppy dog dressed up as a ghost. I think this is going to be a great little picture for Halloween. But before I show you how to draw that, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. So I'm going to go in with my black marker. And I'm going to start by drawing the puppy dog's nose. So I'm going to do a little line, and we're going to go down and the other way. So we're making like a little triangle. Now we can color that in too. Color it in black. Now I'm going to do a little wave. Okay, so that's his little mouth. Now, under that little wave, we're going to do like a U shape. That's the bottom of his mouth. Now, from up here a little bit, we're going to draw a line and connect there to that little wave. Same there on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to do almost like a little panda bear shape eye. I'm going to do it on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to do a big circle, another big circle, and then a circle inside those circles, and color that in. So these are his eyes, and we can see that there's like a cutout for his eyes and a cutout here for his little mouth. So now I'm going to draw a circle. Well, it's not quite a circle. This is going to be a little pumpkin. So he's holding like a little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin basket for all his puppy dog treats. He's going to be trick-or-treating, I think. So it's not quite a circle because pumpkins have all these little bumps. So if it's got a little bump on the top, we're going to try to give it a little matching bump on the bottom. Next one, next one. Now I'm going to curve it down. Okay. Now from both sides here, we're going to draw a line and connect it to the puppy dog's mouth. Okay, so he's holding on to the pumpkin with this little strap. So now we're going to give our jack-o'-lantern a face. So I'm going to put a triangle here for an eye. Give it another triangle eye. Give him a little triangle nose, and then I'm going to give him a little mouth. So I'm going to do two little lines, tooth, another tooth, match up there. And come on down, one tooth, one up. Okay, and I'm going to color all that in dark black. I'm also going to color in the nose and color in the eyes. Okay. Try to even that out a little bit. Alright, so now we are going to do the little top of his head here. We're going to come on down. So it's almost like a great big hill. Now, right here and right here, I'm going to give him his little paws. So, 1, 2, 3. He's got like 3 little toes on his paw. And same over here. So, like we just made like a C shape. Now I'm going to give it another bump. Now a little bump and like a backward C. So it's really similar to how we did that pumpkin shape. Now I'm going to go on from this sheet, connect it there, and connect it here. So we're not quite done yet. I want to give him some ears. So on this side, I'm going to go up, make a little line, go down, come in, and connect. And same over here, go up, go down, Come on in and connect. Okay, so we are also going to give this puppy dog a tail. So from the back here, we're going to give him a little curved line. It's going to come on down. And I'm going to give it a little flick, a little bit of floof, another little bit of floof. He's got a little fluffy tail. Okay, so now I'm going to put some color on our puppy dog, our spooky puppy dog. So he's wearing a white sheet, so I'm going to add some gray. So you don't have to add gray if you don't want to. I'm just putting in a bit of gray because it'll kind of help to make it look like some shadows here on his bed sheet costume. So I'm going to go around here by his little mouth and under the eyes a little bit here too. And I'm going to do a few lines here coming up from his little paw. And on the other little paw here. Okay, now I'm going to take a sandy color. I'm going to color in this eye area. Same over here. And the little mouth. Whatever parts of the puppy dog are showing through the sheet. And his ear. Can't forget the tail. And his little paws. One little paw and two little paw. Okay, now time for the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin candy basket here. So I'm going to color that in orange. I hope this puppy dog is going to get lots of treats for Halloween. Okay, so I think he looks super cute, but I'm going to add a bit of color to the background. So I'm going to, we might speed up the video a little bit here while I'm adding some color to the background. All right, everybody, so we are finished our cute puppy dog ghost, our puppy dog dressed up as a ghost. I hope you had fun following along. I hope you had a good time drawing, and I hope to see you here next time tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye-bye.